Hi, in this video we're going to see and learn about the uses of laten. We're not going to take a look at this use, ik ben te laat, I am too late. We're going to learn about the verb laten. The most common way to use laten is as an imperative for we, for example. Laten we naar het strand gaan. Let's go to the beach. So laten, and then you have the infinitive at the end. However, you can also use laten as to leave. For example, we zullen de auto hier laten. We'll leave the car here. Or we'll let the car stay here. Something like that. Good. The next one, next use is to allow something to do, or someone or something to do something, or to let someone or something to do something. For example, ik laat hem mijn auto wassen. I allow him to wash my car, or I let him wash my car. I'm not going to object here if he is washing my car. All right. And the next use is something with the passive. This is the active sentence. Hij wast mijn auto. He washes my car. If you put it in the passive, and if you're interested in the passive, you see here a suggestion box with a video for the passive to know more about the passive in Dutch. In the passive would be mijn auto wordt gewassen. My car is being washed. But you can also say ik laat mijn auto wassen. I let my car be washed, but in English you would say I'm getting my car washed. And this is a little bit strange because get you don't really associate it with the passive, but in Dutch, well, it somehow is the passive. And what's the difference between mijn auto wordt gewassen and ik laat mijn auto wassen? Well, you're going to put more stress on a particular part of the sentence. Mijn auto wordt gewassen, then the stress is on the car. Like if you want to accentuate that my car is being washed. I'm exaggerating it a little bit, but okay. But if you say ik laat mijn auto wassen, then you're stressing yourself, like you made the decision. For example, if I would ask you, are you cutting hair? Are you cutting your hair yourself, or do you let someone else cut your hair? Then you would use this laat construction because I'm asking you, and you are the most important part of the sentence. If your hair is the most important part of the sentence, then you would use this worden construction. Mijn haar wordt geknipt. My hair is being cut. But I'm asking you, do you cut your hair yourself, or is it someone else? Then you're going to say ik laat mijn haar knippen. And here the same with ik laat mijn auto wassen. I'm getting my car washed. All right. A last one, and a rather important one though. Laten is sometimes used in combination with other verbs, and then in English you would use another verb to translate. Let me show you with an example. Hij laat zijn auto zien. He literally lets his car be seen. And here, obviously, you're not going to say that in English. You're going to say he shows his car. So sometimes when you're combining laten with another verb, then in English you could prefer you would prefer using another verb. So hij laat zijn auto zien. He shows his car. All right. Hope you found it interesting. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in another video. Tot ziens!